Hi, my name is Matt Vierink with Vierink's RV Center in Grand Rapids, Michigan. Today I'm going to show you the all-new 2020 Dutchmen Kodiak 313RLSL. Let's start towards the back here. You have a great little entertainment center here with a TV, refrigerator. You have storage right below. This trailer is equipped with power leveling and a power front tongue jack. So you can put your stabilizers down, just a push of a button, and your front tongue jack. Up front here you have some nice pass-through storage. They actually put an LED rope light all the way down, so there's great ample light in there. On the front, we use a molded fiberglass cap, so it's a lot sturdier. It's going to hold up over time, better insulation. Like I mentioned, you have the power tongue jack. Comes with two 20-pound bottles. We fill those for you. And of course, we'll put a battery on the front once you purchase this trailer. Let's head inside here. You have the nice flip-up steps here, very sturdy with a big grab handle. So the Dutchmen Kodiak, one thing about them is it's a 6-side aluminum construction. So very sturdy. There's no wood on any of the framing. Has a heated enclosed underbelly. So if you want to extend your camping, you can do that. And what a great way to extend your camping in a nice rear living type floor plan. So you have the big sofa in the back with 3 big windows, so lots of natural light. This part will pull out for a nice sleeping area. So if you have additional guests or kids with it, they can stay the night, but they don't need to stay too long. You have storage above the sofa here. And then on the door side is just a great huge slide spot for a big TV. If you're big into gaming or you want to watch some movies at night, you have a fireplace below with drawers on both sides. You have a refrigerator here. It's a gas electric refrigerator. And it's a little bit larger than your average size, so a little bit more space for longer camping. Some prep area here next to the stove. It's a glass cooktop, so it gives you just a full countertop here without sacrificing that. Again, more storage above that. You have a light here and a fan. And then on this side is our island. So it's got 4 drawers. It's got the nice sink, more modern looking, with a skirt on the exterior. And then if you go to the off-door side, you have table and chairs. Again, very open with lots of windows. And then you have the theater seating. So you have little recliners that will kick out. Kind of want to end the night just hanging out, you can do that in here. And then back up towards the middle of the trailer here, just more storage. And probably one of the best selling features on this trailer is this huge pantry. These are removable as well, so if you want to use it as extra hanging space, a coat closet, use it as a multi-type closet with food on the bottom, clothes on top, you can do that. In the center here is our walk-through bathroom, so if you want to keep your bedroom off private, you can, and people still can access the bathroom. You have a medicine cabinet below and above the sink for storage, and then a nice corner shower with the glass doors. Very open, very tall. And then if you head into the bedroom area here, you'll see we have a nice queen-size bed with great storage on both sides of the bed, and then storage above. And you can even see a few little cubbies behind the closets there for your CPAP, your cell phone, anything that you need at night. I just want to give you one more overview of this nice trailer with the opposing slides on the back here. Again, my name is Matt Vierink with Vierink's RV Center. We've been family owned and operated since 1954. If you need financing, we can do that. We can take trade-ins. We can ship this anywhere you need it to go. We also have options for no payments for 90 days. Give us a call at 616-965-9630 or vierinksrv.com. We look forward to hearing from you, and thank you so much.